The Leipan DM12 digital soldering microscope pairs a generous 10.1-inch high-quality screen with a solid metal stand, making fine solder joints and tiny components easy to see and keep stable while you work. Its wide magnification range, from roughly circuit-level close-ups to extremely high-power views, lets you move from board inspection to examining coin details or tiny fractures without changing hardware. The built-in lighting array around the lens, combined with additional overhead lights, gives you bright, even illumination that cuts down on glare and shadow when inspecting reflective solder pads or polished metal. Onboard image and video capture to the included memory card, plus real-time audio notes, make it practical for documenting repairs, tutorials, or before and after comparisons without needing extra gear. You can plug the DM12 into a computer or a large television through the digital video output, which is very helpful when teaching, collaborating, or just wanting a bigger view of delicate work. Being powered for bench use, yet still workable in the field, this microscope feels versatile enough for electronics hobbyists, coin collectors, and anyone who needs a clear, comfortable view of very small details.